This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. And again, we're looking at the SPY on a daily chart here. And last Thursday, we were here. Remember, we had a long weekend, so there was no trading on Friday. And but I said the likely path after we come back, anything can happen after a 3-day weekend. But the likely path would be the line that I drew here. So basically, we had the big rally here. And after a big rally, what happens? The market tends to go sideways. But we did, I pointed out last time that the sellers that were here broke whatever buyers that were here that did this. These sellers wiped them out. And that was the first kind of bearish sign. And then we rallied, failed to make a new high here. And that's why I felt that the trajectory would be down here. But you see, as we've come down here, we made a low. This was Tuesday, a lower low on Wednesday. This morning, we made a lower low here on Thursday. But the market kind of keeps getting pushed up here. And if you look back to the left here, well, this is the last leg here, the up leg, where we saw the last buyers. And so it makes sense that there may be still more buyers sitting down here with orders that are challenging the sellers here. My question is, will the sellers continue to push down here and eat into those buy orders until there's virtually no buy orders left, and then they push and are finally able to test the lows back here or take them out just slightly? If the RSI is going to stay below its moving average, my thought is that they will continue to work their way down here. There is a gap to fill above the market here now, so that would be an upside target to watch for. If the market, is not able to make new lows here, we may fill this gap here, and then about an 80% probability if the gap fills, they'll push back away. So we may get another leg down here, but this is still bearish. We're below the 20 period, which is short-term, more bearish. So we'll see if the sellers can continue to, push down here and eat into those buy orders and eventually overcome them and at least test these lows here. Some of the economic data set for next week, Wednesday, we'll kick it off with the ADP employment change and ISM manufacturing PMI at 10 o'clock. Thursday's average hourly earnings and the big non-farm payrolls report both at 8:30. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.